Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Intercom for scalable customer engagement, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Intercom website using your preferred web browser. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and company details. Create a strong password for your account and select Sign Up. Check your email for a confirmation message from Intercom. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Intercom login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. You will be greeted by an onboarding wizard. Follow the prompts to set up your company profile, including branding and key information. Next, choose the specific Intercom plans that suit your needs. Evaluate the features offered in each plan, such as messaging, chat, and automation tools. Select a plan by clicking on the appropriate option. You will then be prompted to enter your billing information. Fill in your payment details accurately to proceed with the subscription. Review the summary of your selected plan and billing information before finalizing your subscription. Familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring the various tools available. Set up your first customer engagement campaign using the provided templates and guides. Integrate Intercom with your existing tools, such as your website and CRM, for seamless connectivity. Monitor engagement metrics to assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. Utilize Intercom's support resources for any questions or issues you may encounter. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected to maximize customer engagement. You are now prepared to leverage Intercom for scalable customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.